breastfeeding, hygiene and safe complementary feeding protect children during disease outbreaks, including COVID-19. During an outbreak, there are a lot of myths and misleading information around how to feed infants and young children. Parents may be confused and not know what to do. It's more important than ever to support caregivers. In this video, you will learn how to advise caregivers on how to feed their infants and young children during the COVID-19 pandemic using 4 key messages. These 4 key messages are important to remember and to use when you counsel mothers and caregivers. Your goal is to help children in your community be well nourished, to protect against illness, and grow up healthy and strong. The 4 key messages to counsel mothers and caregivers of young children are: wear a face covering when caring for or feeding a young child if you have a cough, breathing difficulties, or a known COVID-19 infection. Mother and baby should stay in the same room after birth, including during the COVID-19 pandemic. Continue breastfeeding during COVID-19 from birth to 2 years and beyond. Practice hygiene and safe complementary feeding practices. Any mother or household member with a cough, difficulties breathing, or a known COVID-19 infection should wash hands and wear a face covering. This will help prevent passing on the COVID-19 virus. It's important to support mothers to room in with their baby after childbirth, even if the mother or baby is suspected to have COVID-19. Keeping the mother and baby together supports early and exclusive breastfeeding and mother-baby bonding. This gives a baby its best start at life. It's important to encourage mothers with a young child to continue breastfeeding, even if they have COVID-19, as the virus does not pass through the breast milk to the baby. This means a mother with COVID-19 can continue to breastfeed without getting the baby sick. In fact, breast milk has nutrients which protect the child from infection, diarrhea, and illness. Remember, any mother with respiratory symptoms or a known COVID-19 infection should wear a face covering while breastfeeding to protect her child. Breast milk contains all the nutrients an infant needs in the first 6 months of life. Initiating breastfeeding within the first hours of life, feeding the baby only breast milk for their first 6 months, and continuing breastfeeding to at least 2 years protects a child from illness. It is especially important during the COVID-19 pandemic to counsel mothers and caregivers of young children on practicing hygiene and safe feeding practices. Encourage them to wash their and their children's hands before and after feeding their baby or child, clean utensils, bowls, and cups before and after eating, and serve food immediately after preparation in order to prevent infection. Caregivers should wash their child's hands frequently with soap and water once they are crawling, walking, and eating with their hands. It is also important to regularly clean surfaces in the house. This will help protect children from COVID-19 and other infections. These are the 4 key messages to remember to pass on to mothers and caregivers about infant and young child feeding in the context of COVID-19. 1. Mothers and caregivers with respiratory symptoms or confirmed COVID-19 should wear a face covering or mask while feeding or caring for their young children. 2. Mothers and babies should room in together after birth, even if one of them has COVID-19. 3. Breast milk does not pass COVID-19 virus to the child, and it has nutrients which protect against infection. Mothers should continue to breastfeed from birth to at least 2 years, even during COVID-19. 4. Proper hand washing with soap and water before and after feeding or caring for a young child, and keeping surfaces in the home clean is critical to prevent infection.